One of the things that I really struggled with right in the beginning of my business was understanding my target audience. Every time somebody wanted me to do this detailed study on who is it, Pooja, that you want to sell to, I would be like, everyone needs coaching, everyone needs help. And I was very general about my sales. And till the time I remained in that space, I can assure you, I did not do that well. Because if you don't know who you're selling to, if you're speaking to everyone, you're actually speaking to no one. Because no one's able to understand what is it that you do and who is it for. So it's very important that you identify on your own who it is that you're selling to and who is it that you're not selling to. And today, because I have that clarity, I'm able to connect at a level which is so much superior than when I started out. I want to give you an example. Let's say a lady comes to me who's had a lot of childhood abuse. Now, as much as I want to help her, I'm not a psychologist. And knowing that really helps me, because if she doesn't want to move forward, then I'm not the right person. Because you see, the name of my company is Life by Design. I help you design your life, your next 5 years, your business, your marriage. But if you are stuck somewhere in your past, then you need to go see someone who's an expert in your past. So once I started to realize, okay, this is not who I'm for, this is not who I'm for, who is it really that I'm for? I'm for a woman who really wants to be unstuck, who wants her own identity, who wants to be financially free, who loves her freedom, who doesn't want to take permissions, who doesn't want to be waiting for other people to give her that, she shouldn't be waiting for anybody. She wants to live her life on her own terms. Once I knew who I was for, then I could connect at such a deep level, because I knew the exact emotion I feel as being that woman, and I can share that with you. So that's why it's so important to know who you're selling to. My husband makes apartments for boutique apartments. It's very important that he understands what his customer wants. Somebody who wants a boutique apartment does not want to be looking at dirty tiles in the bathroom or average marble on the flooring. They really want something unique. So he has to give them that. He helps them customize their whole house. He helps them build the kitchen that they have dreamt of. So you're not just picking up an apartment, that's selling. You're actually going in and making your own house. So once you start to get into the details of understanding your target audience, I can assure you your business will skyrocket. Because everyone's looking for good quality, everyone's looking for people who understand them. You think about the best person that you've been working with, whether it's your gardener, your plumber, or anyone in the staff in your house. Do you know what is that one thing that makes all of them extraordinary? They know what you want. And once you understand what it is that your customer or client wants, trust me, it becomes so easy to get over all your competition, because the one thing people are busy selling is what they think you need. They are not bothering to sit down and spend enough time to understand what is it that you need from them. So I really hope you're going to make an effort in this, because as simple as this sounds, it's really the trigger to success. Thank you.